like to do is take advantage of the SMT service that JLPCB performs, but that means using their parts, and so it also means using SMD parts. So basically you have to replace every single part that's through-hole with an SMD part. So for example, this LED here is a red LED. You have to get a surface mount device to replace it. Well, your easiest bet is to go to the LSC parts, the LCSC parts, and type in LED. And let's see, I think we have displays. Let's see if we can show more results. And so these would be LED modules. Let's see what our choices are. Looks like LED display modules or LED segment displays. Let's try this. For LED segment displays, we want surface mount, maybe red, and hit apply. And we want in stock, hit apply. And let's see if we can sort by price. And these are multi-segment LEDs, so that's not correct. Let's try that again. If we go in over here and take a look at what we've got, can look at the attributes, and this is called LED through-hole. Let's see if we can find something that is surface mount. Perhaps in this library here, if we type in LED, here's an LED in 0603, and it looks like you can get it 0805. That's a good size. So let's get that, and we'll have to reflect it around, but what we'll do is we'll place it, hit escape, and then what we'll do is we'll delete this, flip it around by doing a flip horizontal. Then let's drag it over. See if we can get things to bond. It looks like we did. And now we should be able to look at the attributes. So that looks all right. Let's take a look at the, let's save first. So we've made a copy in case you haven't, in case you're wondering. This is the timer, same timer, but now it's called SMT. Didn't want to mess around with the old one. And so now we've got two schematics. There's this one with through-hole, and there's this one with surface mount. And if we go to fabrication and look at the BOM, let's see. It looks like it's all LSC parts assigned. We can export the BOM. We're going to have JLC PCB do the export. Let's check for stock. And what do we got? It's this LED. And it looks like everything has and LCSC part number, which means everything is in stock, and we can now get a price, and it's $2.31. But we have minimum orders here of 50 and 100. So things got a little more expensive, but only because we're making so much. And it all looks like it's in stock, so that's cool. So now if we go to our fabrication facility with SMT components, we can do a PCB order. And now we can add our Gerber file. So we'll go back to EasyEda, and we'll PCB order. Oh, we haven't converted this to a PCB yet. This is going to be a completely different PCB. Let's do that. Convert to schematic to PCB. This should be a rather different PCB. And certainly it is, because we can see now everything has been turned into a rather smaller circuit. We'll put the resistors all in one place for no particular reason. Let's just line everything up. Put our LED in here. Well, that should probably be flipped around, right? And now I think maybe we're ready to do our routing. That was fast. And let's zoom in on this a little bit. It's pretty neat. Very compact. So we can save that. And now I think we can do a PCB order direct. And what we'll do is we'll export the Gerber file. We'll order the PCB with surface mount at JLC PCB. PCB price will be $4. We'll get our coupon. And it looks like we can have $10 off. Order the PCB. And what do we get? The Gerber files get automatically uploaded. We should see a rendering. And there it is, all on one side. That's pretty cool, actually. So $4 includes the assembly costs, and you get free parts for the initial assembly. That's the intro price. Pretty cool, right? let's take a look at this thing now that we've got things rendered. And here's what it looks like with the LED and all of the chips nicely laid out. That looks very professional and very fast to fabricate. So, thought you might like my little demo there. We just went from, it's actually kind of cool. We went from a thru-hole design, which you can hand solder, to a freely created surface mount technology design. And you can sort of see how you can go back and forth, and it's really cool to see the contrast and difference in size and the microelectronic packaging capabilities here. Really something. So, thought you might like my little demo. Thanks a bunch. Talk to you later. Boy.